Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you've had a great day. This was a quick video I did for you guys tonight. It can be done with gel polish or it can be done with acrylic nude base or whatever colour you'd like. Because I'm doing it on tips, I did it with a gel polish. So I'm just going in with a nude colour. Any nude would suit this design. Like I said, you can use your nude acrylic if that's what you're doing. Do a full set and then do this over the top. It's a really beautiful finish. We're going to be using some foils and some gems. These ones in the video are not Swarovski apart from the big one in the centre. I didn't really want to waste all these Swarovskis on some tips, so I just used some ones I already had. So we're going to set up the gel polish and we're going to remove the residue layer, and then I'm going to come in with my foil glue gel, which I am doing over the whole of this nail, and then we set that up for 30 seconds. This is the Nails graffiti foil gel glue, and then this foil is see-through, so it's just going to bring the pattern so you'll see the nude through it. So I'm still trying with the foils. It takes quite a little bit, and also I don't think it helps with tips. I have it on the stand, then I have it on my finger, and I just keep rubbing at it. Eventually we get there though. I've tried this several different ways. I just don't think it's my thing. Sometimes I absolutely get it, and then other times I don't. So I don't really know why that is. So as you can see there, it's transferred on and it's beautiful, it's fine. So this one's going to be kind of a 3/4 version of that, and because of the pattern on the foil and it's see-through, I did place the pattern intentionally into the center of the nail with this one, and I'm also lining that up there. That white flower is in the center. And you can see I've done my nails today, guys. Finally, I don't have the worst nails ever. They looked horrendous. I was quite conscious of all the videos I was doing that had shocking nails. Number one, because my 3-year-old daughter painted them. Number two, because I was picking them. And then I'd kind of really picked them. They looked terrible in my last few videos. So I did them today. Quite simple, but I like them. So there we go, the foil is on. So now I'm going to get a contrasting nude colour for this nail, gel polish again, and I'm just using my mini gel oval from HD Pro, and I'm just going to create this kind of semicircle around the cuticle area, and then just fill in down to where the foil is. So I'm going to set that up in the lamp and then go in again and do another coat on that. And when I'm happy with the coverage there, I will set that up in the lamp again, and then we'll be ready to top coat. So we're just going to go in and top coat using HD Shine It, which is a no white top coat. It's beautiful, great shine, great name. Yeah, if I'm talking a bit quietly tonight, I think it's consciously because I'm in my bedroom and my children are next door asleep. So if I sound a little bit quieter, I know I did a video at like midnight last week, and I listened to it the next morning and was like, oh my god, I sounded really tired, and I wasn't. It was just that it was crazy late when I did the voiceover, so I redid that one because it didn't sound great. It sounded like I was really disinterested. So there we have got the top coat on all the nails now, and we're going to set that up for 60 seconds in the LED lamp. You can see they're stunningly shiny now, perfect. And so now we're going to come in with our crystals, and because apart from this big one they're all small crystals, so I'm just going to use my glue. This one is a Swarovski stone. It's stunning, they're really beautiful. Ordinarily I would use some poly gel there, some clear jellies or something to put that big stone on, just to make it secure, and then use my glue for the tiny stones. Any big stones I will always use a gel for, thick gel. Poly gel I found now works perfectly, and I really don't have anyone that loses anything from them, and it's really easy to use. So all I'm doing here is putting the tiniest blobs of glue where I want it, and then I'm putting the little gems in position really, and then I'm just moving them around. This is a cheap version of the crystal katana. I did have the crystal katana, didn't massively rate it any at all. I much prefer these ones actually. The wax on these is much better, and they're about £3 each, so you can replace them and have a couple of them and whatever. So yeah, so you can see there I'm just placing these up. I'm not going to talk the whole way through the gem placement, but I'll just let you watch it. This design actually came from Nails by Yvonne. I saw it yesterday and thought, what a beautiful, looks simple, doesn't it? It's a simple idea, but the gems really make this one, so I thought I'd give it a go. Hers has the micro beads on all the nails, and if I'm honest, I couldn't be bothered faffing with the micro beads. They are super fiddly. I don't use them a lot, but they do finish a design. So you'll see when I come to the 3 plain nails, I just place a few of the micro beads from HD Pro around the little gems that I put on the nude ones, just because I thought those ones needed it. But I hope you enjoy watching this, guys. I'm going to leave you to watch the gem placement now, and yeah, hope you enjoy it. Coming to the end here now. These are the tiny little micro beads. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe and thumbs up, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.